Hello everybody, Don here and welcome back to another art video. Okay, today I'll be discussing art styles and how I found mine. And let's jump right into it. Okay, so first off, I have two art styles. The one is on a computer, this one, and on paper, and they look entirely different. And I prefer doing it on the computer because it looks better, of course. And how I found my art style is just like everyone else, I guess. Just looking at other people and see how they did it, how they do their art. Like for line art, their lines might be thicker or really thin, to where it's like like painting a picture, right? Or something like that. But as for me, I used thicker lines to like, I don't know, I feel like thicker lines will make it really kind of really cute in a way. And I really like how it really turned out, but the thing is, I don't really know how to use, like, I mean, well, not use, but on Photoshop the lines are like, it just doesn't look right. So I don't know why, but I'm gonna start doing line art on side now until I figure out how to work the brushes and everything, because the lines aren't really that good for line art, but like for sketching is fine, I guess. I really don't like sketching on site. It's so weird. So anyway, art styles. Where was I? What was I talking about? Oh yeah, the line art. Yeah, I think yeah, I just do thicker lines instead of thinner lines, because I feel like the colors mash together, and I kind of don't like that. I guess. Yeah, I prefer thicker lines. Oh, and for the line art, I like adding like little dots in it, and dots. Oh, and scratch marks. Yes, and like little hair pieces, like at the top of it. Yeah, I actually I wanted to have my line art a little bit like have like little in it instead of just drawing lines. I wanted to have like little stuff on it, I guess. And it actually came out really good. Even though I feel like the hair is like doesn't match with but it doesn't match with the original design. But that's my style. So I just like it. I wanted to give it a little to it for the hair and everything. Anyway, yeah, little scratch marks and dots for the line art. Good times. Yes, I like it. It's really nice. And alright, so the chibi on the right side by the actual the thing the actual art style of the, like, for the TV show, that small chibi right there. Yeah, I wanted to use her shading for this character, because I really don't know how to shade, and I don't think that's an art style thing, but I like seeing how people like shade and everything, and kind of like put mine into it a little bit. You'll see it like when I get to it. I'll talk about that later. And that's about it. Oh, and I guess this goes with style, like how people do exaggerated poses and everything. And I'm not really good at that. And I feel like my chibis needs that because I don't want it to look stiff. But hopefully I'm explaining this well. Yeah. Oh, and I give credit to like for the shading. I think her name starts with a J. I'm gonna put it in the description below. But yeah, that's how I felt. Well, actually, when I tried to get into my art style, I watched this YouTuber. I'm not gonna say her name. I wanna have that as a secret. But I admire her so much and everything. Well, I guess I should tell her. Why not? Like, why wouldn't I tell her? Her name is Yamio, and I really love how she does the chibis and the eyes. And I try to put that in my style, but I wanted to like do something really different, and I found my art style. Well, that's how I started out with my art style, just drawing big eyes and thicker bodies. I really love how she does the shading and how it looks really soft. But I mean, it's been a while since I watched her videos. But I think she does her line art is like really thin, and I feel like it was. I think thicker lines suits me. I really like thicker lines. With thin lines I can't do that, no. But yeah, and that's how I felt my art style. It's just looking at other people and taking little nitpicks about their how they do stuff. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I got for you. I mean, oh well, I guess I can just talk about this character, Vaggie. I just I really love her personality. She's actually like one of my favorite characters in Hazbin Hotel, and I can't wait to see more of her. I really love her designs. I had so much fun with doing this, and I wasn't expecting it to take like almost 12 hours of doing this. And question time. Well, let me just say that I just had so much fun, and I can't wait to see more. So I'll be doing more characters in the future if you want to get some more. So anyway, question time. Which character do you like in Hazbin Hotel? And I guess question about the liner and everything. Who do you follow and that inspires you in like who did you get your art style from? I guess yeah. I think that's a good question. So please comment, like, and subscribe if you want more of this, and I'll see you fellas. I'll just see you guys later. Bye.